Alright, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals is Zero Hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so previous session we didn't do any good progress because we were stuck with LLVM trying to get that in here. Let's have one more look here at the parser that Psykana has drafted for the same purpose that we tried to do. So he created here some symbol, function info, source file. Let's see, class info. Yeah. So I do wonder how did he do the type info stuff. Type info. So he has a function Apple GNU devs. What does that do? Class type info SE. Base class type info VMI. What about enum enum type info? What about that one? Base type. Base count. Base type. Why is this not a pointer to begin with? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that is enough. But there is here object dump. Here, let's search for here enum type info. There we go. So, so this file he has here, it's missing enum type info. Let's ask ChatGPT. How will a enum type info be interpreted? indicates a virtual table pointer for an enum type, which is specific to the C++ ABI. A virtual table for an enum type? What the hell is that? vtable enum type e end of the mangled name for enum types is used by the runtime. Pointer to the time, information about the underlying time, whether it is based on int, char, etc. The enum type info typically contains vtable pointer, a pointer to the vtable that contains virtual functions for handling the enum's runtime type information. That's weird. Type name, a string representing the type's name. Base type information, the base type of the enum. Is there a struct that defines the fields of this enum type info? Yes. Name. CXX API. Okay, so earlier we asked ChatGPT for an LLVM example, right, of this RTTI. Here. Here. Reinterpret casts. let's go to LLVM projects and we go to search, and we search for this type. Tests. Titanium. Okay, so libcxxabi, private type info. Maybe we can just copy a header file here from LLVM. Maybe not. What does this do? Class type info, dynamic cast info, enum type info. So this one really has all of the things. Yeah. What does this CPP do? What a formatting here. Why is that atomic? Six virtual. Six ID mango. Maybe we can just copy this thing. It doesn't seem to have too many dependencies. Okay. Should we revert this change here? I mean, let's stash it. How about that? Stash it. Let's push this here. Okay, let's take this file here, copy raw file. Then we go to source, go here, folder, LLVM, put here new folder, text, private, type info.h. Take a copy of this, type info.cpp. Then we make a copy, dump that in here. We open this guy, and then we take this copy, and then put this here. Let's also take from the MachOCodeGen, we added this demangle function and this utility thingy. Let's take these guys. Source LVM. We put this in here. Utility we put in here. Okay. And then we go to CMake and we put here source utility there, CPP, and then LLVM source source LLVM demangle .h .cpp type info .h. There we go. Okay. Let's see if that compiles. Builds. My expectation is there will be compile errors in the type info ones, but maybe we can easily fix that. Okay, first we have some error here. Okay, there's a problem. Hold on. Let's open. No. Let's open another Visual Studio 22. Mac. We open the MachOCodeGen and we need to add the XLLVM demangler here. X6. Oh boy. Go to MachOCodeGen. CMake here. Boom. CodeGen. CMake. Put this in here. Then. Oh boy. Here we take this guy, include include here CMake. Put it here. Okay. Projects. Okay, how about we put this project guy down here? Project here. Oh, I can put the space here. Okay. And then we put the demangler also here. It's basically just a copy of the whole thing. Okay, let's compile that. Okay. Okay, so this one, demangler, okay. Then we go to source. What is this? Let's remove these here. Okay. So, where are we? Okay, so it wants this one here. Let's add this new, this config h, and in here we simply do define here, define this nothing. Let's do pragma once, done. Put a space, done. Okay, let's go CMake. Also edit here, demangler, there we go, copy, there we go, put it there, okay, compile. Okay, there are some compile errors. Class this is this like some export or something? This I guess we also define this type is nothing. Abort message. Abort message. Let's actually search this file. Take a good look at it. There we go. Oof. Win32. Okay. Maybe we can just copy this guy. Let's see what it does. There we go. Let's actually do this. All right. Let's see if that compiles. Okay, that compiles. Abort message. What about this one? Abort message. Abort message. It requires CXX ABI. What is that? Copy. CXX API .h. Abort message. Let's just copy everything that is a dependency. Abort message .h. There we go. And we do abort message .cpp. Here cpp, copy, paste, done, and then we go to here. So what do we have? Let's close this here. So we have this guy, put that here, and we have a abort message. And this guy. Good. Let's see if that compiles. Basically, I would like to avoid making changes to the LLVM code. See if we can like just copy all the files that are dependencies and maybe get it to compile. Otherwise, we would have to make changes. Okay. What do we have here? Inconsistent DLL linkage. Warning. Okay, okay, there is an error. Identifier not found. Is that? Oof. Why? It's remarkable how big this header is. This CPP is. 1500 lines of code for some type info stuff. It's remarkable. Why is this failing? libcxx ABI assert. Boah. Let's see. Search. Abort message, if def define. Abort message. If def. Oh. It looks like we copied the wrong stuff in there. Okay. Let's go back. About message.header. Yeah. We clearly copied the wrong stuff in here. And we still did. Why is this not copying? Oh, it doesn't copy this file somehow. Something went wrong. Okay, it doesn't copy this file somehow. Then we do it like this. There we go. Okay, this one also failed somehow. It's a bit unfortunate that changes formatting. Ugh. Ugh. Don't save. About message. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we still have errors. Okay. Why is this erroring then? Okay, this is also wrong here, I see. Oh boy. So we cannot trust GitHub that this button here is broken. That's unfortunate. It's always the same stuff. Software just nowadays, it doesn't work anymore. It is a shame, really. It is a shame. Too many requests. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Too many requests. I'm just browsing this website. I'm not doing anything. Okay, let's download this stuff then and put it here into the folders. This is ridiculous. Really, all these people, they can't write software. It's unbelievable. Okay, let's put this in here. This stuff, let's download this. And we put it in here. Save, yes, done. Okay. Are we good now? No. What is the problem now? Cannot open source file cxx ABI config.h, but it's here. Oh. Wow. Remarkable. Gosh. unbelievable. It is just unbelievable. My gosh, how is this possible? Why are these programmers so retarded? This is unbelievable. You download a file and it says too many requests inside. I'm telling you, like the more we advance in the timeline of the century, the more retarded programmers become. How is this possible? You download a file and it prints inside too many requests. These people, they all have brain damage. Some sort of brain damage. Oh boy. It's really simple. I just want to copy some file contents here. Okay, what's the problem now? Okay, cannot include file. Why not? Why can't we include this? It is in the same folder. What is the problem here? Maybe because it's not looking into the same folder. Oof. Yeah. Maybe we have to. Maybe we need to edit this file. Was it this one? This one. So basically we can say here this. Yeah. This might work now. No, we still have errors. No return. Oh boy. Okay, this is getting out of hand here. Okay, what about this GitHub thingy here? Titanium. Yeah. No return. CXX ABI. Ugh. CXX ABI. I don't know what's going on now. Somehow it doesn't work. It wants to do attribute no return, but that doesn't exist, that identifier. Okay, what do we do now? I mean, we could just comment this out. Defines. Let's do include LLVM slash this. We do define this. Let's see if that changes anything. Probably not. Probably this would have to be in CMake. Here. Not sure if that is legal. Figure. Macro definition. Move that. Okay. Cold. Don't save. Shit. Oh man. 6 AB. Copy. Comment this out and this. One, two. Compile. Okay, we still got errors. Attributes, okay. I don't know who this is built for then. Attributes. So to compile this out. What is this here? Why is this erroring here? Header stop not at file scope. What? If has feature. Why is this? If has feature and if. That looks totally fine. What's the problem here? Why is C++ now being garbage? Hey, man. What is the problem here? These people can't program. It's unbelievable. I don't know. Header stop not at file scope. Has feature. Oh man. Header stop not at file scope. I have no idea what that means. Oh man, no one can write code nowadays anymore that just works. Well, it's not true. There are libraries that just work, but LLVM doesn't seem to be one of these. It's just a big mess of garbage that just doesn't even compile. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't know why this is complaining here. Void should be preceded by this, but why? What is the problem here? There is a check has includes expands to 0. Should there be like this? Yeah. Is that what you want? Or what? I don't get it. Here we should have like a semicolon here, or what? What is the goal here? I don't get this bullshit. What is the problem here? Has feature. What is the problem with this? Maybe it wants to have an else here, or I don't understand. I don't understand this. I've never seen this problem before. Unexpected tokens following preprocessor directive. Unexpected tokens. Okay, let's dial this into search. If defined. Maybe it doesn't know this has feature thingy. So what if we take this one and we put it in here? We say if not defined has feature, then has feature 0. Let's see if that changes anything. Okay, it does. Then we do the same for has include. Has includes. Yeah, but it's a bit bad. It would be nice if we would have this outside somewhere. MachOCodeGen edit begin and let's put this above here. Okay. Anything else? Has include. Ugh. It's not working. It's not working. has feature. Bot message. 6x. Bot message. So somehow it doesn't recognize this thing here. That's my suspicion. Even though we have it now here. GCC does not understand has feature. Oh man, this sucks. I have to say, this really sucks. What now? What do we do? By the way, we also have this one here. We can also say if not defined attributes well, we say if defined MSC where define this and if attributes X and then I think we can put this back. I think. Huh, now it compiled. Look at that. Okay, I don't know how this now magically fixed the other two as well. So if we remove this again, what happens? Then we get a warning. Huh. Okay. Good, then this works. This works. Okay, so this now should mean that we have these types here available, which I think we access in here. No? How do we get access to these guys? So for example, this guy here. Oh, it's not through here. So I guess we just STD type info, what is that? By the way, we can, I think, now also put this back to what it was. I'm a bit confused about this guy here. STD type info. Dynamic cast info. Class type info. Base class info type. Okay, so this enum type info, I'm a bit confused about this guy here, this one. It has no member, no data. Memory layouts. Well, it has some data. Mutable. It has some data. Shim type info. Base class type info. You know, this is wrong. This is wrong. At least for 32-bit, it's wrong. Because here it is a 8-byte pointer, but when we work with it, we want to use it as a 32-bit pointer. Yeah, I think this is wrong, and this would only work in 32-bit configuration architecture here. If we would compile in 32-bit, Win32, but we don't plan to do that. That's stupid. Why did they not think of that? Huh. Huh. Oh, that's weird. It's very weird. Yeah. Okay, to me it looks like we can't even use this thing. No. Okay. Um. It's a shame. Okay, so in this project here from him, he has added the Apple GNU, and there it uses base type here. It's a integer which will have 4 bytes, and that's the correct size for what we need. Yeah, but it doesn't have an enum type. Okay, maybe we don't need it. Yeah, I find this really, really strange. Like, what was the motivation here? Like, if you use this pointer, you can't use it for an architecture that is not the one that you compiled with. So I really don't understand how you're supposed to use this. That this means that you can't work with files that are not native to the architecture that this code is compiled with. But shouldn't the code, the library that generates or that works with a executable be independent? That's really weird. Strange. But maybe they just agreed on this fact that you can only work with 32-bit files if you have a 32-bit version of LLVM. Maybe. Yeah. Could be. I don't know why they would do that. Maybe for ease. Maybe it would be too complicated to... Well... Yeah, maybe it would be too complicated. Okay, then let's add the same file here that he had added, this one. Let's go here with Apple. Yeah. Apple GNU devs.h. Maybe this is good enough for our purposes. Okay, save this, done. Okay. Man. Apple. Okay. Then let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Okay, let's add this. Yeah, this, and this. This. Add xllvm demangler. Then we add this guy. Maybe we should add it to the third party. No, we can't. Source. We can have another. We had another third party in here. Third party. Apple. There we go. Then to here, third party, Apple. Then here we say source, and here we say third party. Let's put this here. Source, third party. There we go. Okay. Okay. Take this. This. Add Apple GNU devs.h. Okay. Actually, let's double check that it compiles. So the question is, can we still private type info? I mean, what we could do is Okay, so I mean, right now this code is unusable. All this code is unusable, simply because the pointer is 8 bytes. That's a problem. So could it be? I do wonder. Was this maybe also edited by Psychana the same way, where he realized, yeah, we can't have 8-byte pointer here, and then he edited this as well? What was this already? I don't know. Let's search for this file. Apple GNU devs. Apple GNU devs.h. Well, the question is, do we find that? Poof. Apple GNU devs. Apple GNU devs. .h. Well, let's search for this on GitHub. Search. There we go. No. Okay, I don't know where this file is from. Apple GNU devs. Yeah, I don't know where this is from. Did you edit? Did you edit this to get rid of 8-byte pointer? I mean, what we can do, he writes, Yes, I had to invent something. Yes, same problem exists in LLVM. It is kinda, it is a bit retarded that these structs, well, I don't know if it's retarded, probably is. Okay, but I think that the, let me see. So this one, yeah, so this one could be repaired. Okay, so okay, but then it's not really third party anymore. If we edit this, let's take this guy and move it here. There we go. Let's okay. So let's do the same here. Edits. MachOCodeGen edits. Edits. UN32T. Base type. Offset flags. Okay, let's see what other we have here. So this is base class. Okay, but class type info, this still is screwed because of this. Here we have pointer, and that, yeah, this makes this one unusable. Shim type info. Let's see. So this shim type info takes type info. Shim type. Let's ask ChatGPT, what is shim type info? Public type info. Okay, so basically the shim type info is just type info in this case, right? It doesn't have any members. What is type info then? Type info. We can't inspect type info for some reason, and I don't know why. It has a size and an alignment, but we can't see what it is, which is a bit unfortunate. Would be nice to see. What is std type info? Okay, and what is inside the type info? What is the memory layout of std type info? That is actually the most important question, which of course he didn't already include. I just need the, there we go. Thank you. Type info, name, base, hash code. Okay. Okay, then how about we do the following? We do this. And so we put here, oof. UN32T name. Let's do const UN32T base const UN32T hold on. Was it const? No, it was not const. UN32T Hash code while. Why is this not constant? Hash code while. Okay. Okay, and now it should be memory layouts. Oh. We have a V table. Why do we have a V table? No, no. I don't know what to say about this guy. Don't save. Okay, I don't know, should we throw it away or should we just keep it for now? Maybe we need it later again. But I don't see this useful because the pointers, well, unless we, that sucks. I don't know what to say. I would say we keep it for now. Yeah. Yeah. Keep it for now. Okay, so we have this guy. Let's make this. Remove this. Remove this. Okay. There we go. This. This. Okay. Okay, I will add this here for now. I don't know how useful this will be in the end, but whatever. Um, mm, add type, add private type info from LLVM. Okay, good. Yeah, let's push this for now. Yeah, maybe this is already enough. I, I think we don't need LLVM for now. I copied some pieces and maybe that will be enough. Okay. What's the time? 1 hour 40. Whoa, it took longer than I thought. Okay, but we have now, like, all the libraries are in place and we probably have all the files we need. So we now have some reference here, the work from Psychana with this parser, where we can look at what he did. And I think he goes into the right direction for many of the pieces, but maybe not quite. But I guess together with what we learned the last week and his code, I think I'm pretty confident that we will figure it out. Maybe there will be some obstacles here and there with some unknowns. Like, for example, this enum type info. I don't know yet what's supposed to happen with this, right? Because, well, let me look at this here once more. I think we asked ChatGPT about enum type info and it wrote us something about it. But here it looked different. Let me see, enum type info. Yeah, here it's weird because it's only referring to shim type info, which then again is empty and only refers to type info. So I don't know what's going on with this guy. Weird. Yeah, very weird. Okay, good. Anyway, we have some stuff to work with. Yeah. What we can do is we can later write conversion functions. Maybe we convert from these here to these LLVM types, right? So these ones they take 32-bit pointer, but we can always upcast, right, to the 8-byte pointer, right? So maybe we can do that. Type info. Okay. Good. I will take a break here and then we will return and we'll start writing some logic here. Yeah, to get started. Yeah. Well, actually, I think first we need to figure out the data structures. Yeah, roughly that we want to have. Yeah, I think we should do that first. Draft the data structures for our source files and so on, right? Okay, good. Then I will take a break here. Wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.